everyone, and welcome to the Phenomenal Phive. We're just going to be putting out a little short video today. Not a whole lot been going on. It's been very cold, and we just went through well, for us here in southern Missouri, a major snowstorm. Sorry, we got people out here and I'm watching them. I need to stop. But some, I don't know if it's news, but something to celebrate. Brutus here just celebrated his 4th birthday. He is now 4 years old. And actually, as anybody's followed my channel know that I've had him since day one. He was born in my house. So him and I have been best buds for a while. We just came out to the RV just because I haven't been out here in a while, and I realized how bad it is. I'm gonna have to clean. I have to clean badly. We'll get to that. How are you doing, Brutus? Yeah. Stop. Okay, you can stop now. Just some things that have been going on with the RV and things I've been doing. The black tank has started leaking around the release seal. So I've got a little thing to add to, it's actually an extra pull lever that I can put in. I thought I'd show you guys how that worked, but then I realized the top portion of that is clear, so you're going to see the mess, and I figured I better not do that. But it's just a little piece that attaches to the end of what I have, and it has a little valve to open up to release everything, so that, because right now the only holding anything back is the cap, and when I pull that cap off, it starts running. I have to get the hose up really quick and dealing with a big mess, which I don't want to do anymore. So that situation is resolved. Haven't been able to figure out why the engine won't start when it's down around 0 temperature wise. One place is telling me it's my fuel pump, but to get to the fuel pump is not easy. They have talked about cutting an access point through the floor to access it, which I have my issues or my concerns, because I have my heater vent going down the center of the floor. If the pump is past that, I really don't have an issue. If they could do it directly, underneath the bed, that definitely wouldn't be an issue. It wouldn't be seen. But they're doing some research, and they're supposed to get back to me and let me know how that's going, and if that's going to be feasible. If not, we're going to have to drop the tank to get to the fuel pump. But that's what they think is the problem. And since I know nothing about mechanics, yes, there's somebody over there in the yard. Yes, there is. Took him out last night for his nightly walk, and there's a house around the corner that was for sale. I saw the for sale sign down, and they're doing a renovation to it. But there was a young couple out there, and he wanted to go say hi. They did come over and say hi to him a little bit. But they were still a little nervous because he's a big dog. But I think I can break them of that they'll accept him as he is. But anyway, we're going to do some show some videos of the snow and him not really playing in it. It wasn't. I mean, it was okay. I slipped a lot and fell once. I had a nasty fall just at the end of the RV when I was taking him out, hit the road, and the road's all covered in ice, and I was on the ground. And then he thought it was fun and playtime, jumped on top of me. Didn't you? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Okay, guys, we're going to add some B-roll here of us playing in the snow, or walking through the snow. I'm not going to say we played. We didn't do much playing. And we hope you enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. That really helps the channel out. Helps me get it out to more people. So if you guys could do that, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much. You're done? Yeah.